Mr. Lopez and Mr. Salum.
Correct, Judge. Bottom
Okay.
of page 2. In cause number 2022 DCV 3622, Mary Gonzalez versus Juvencio Pacheco and Rebecca Pacheco. Announcement of council, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nassim Salam on behalf of Mary Gonzalez.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Enrique Lopez on behalf of defendants Juvencio and Rebecca Pacheco.
Okay, bear with me 1 second here. We're scheduled today. Oh my gosh, Odyssey is just very slow for me today. I don't know what's going on. We're scheduled for the motion to compel, defendant's motion to compel plaintiff to deposit rent payments into the registry of the court. I just wanted to see if we were also set. That was it, just that. Okay. All right, Mr. Lopez.
Yes, Your Honor. On July 26, 2013, this court issued an order for the plaintiff to deposit $19,500 within 60 days from the date of the order. This court also ordered the plaintiff to deposit $1,500 beginning June 15 of this year. And unfortunately, as of last week, when I checked with the registry of the court, no monies, zero monies had been deposited. And so I'm asking for the court's help regarding this matter. If the plaintiff is not going to make any further deposits, then we would ask that the plaintiff vacate the premises that belong to my clients who have received no rent since for over almost 2 years now. The current amount, my motion was filed in September. It's now another $3,000, October, November, today. And well, the 15 would be the next payment. So add another 1,500 to that. So it's over $30,000 that they are behind.
Have you all scheduled a mediation yet?
Yes, Your Honor.
When is it?
November 21st, Your Honor, at 1:30 p.m.
All right. I didn't see a written response, Mr. Salum.
Yes, Your Honor. There was no written response. Your Honor, my client is not willfully denying the court's order. She hasn't been able to raise the funds, $19,500 amount to be deposited with the court's registry. It's not conscious indifference or regarding the court's order. It's just not something that's feasible to her. Now, tomorrow, Your Honor, at 9:30, I have an in-person meeting with my client. She may be going through financial and health-related hardship. I'm going to sit down with her and hopefully get some clear direction as to what her intentions are, so that I know where to take the case. And again, I've made her aware of her obligations of the court's order, etc. And I'm hoping to find more clarity tomorrow, Your Honor.
Mr. Lopez?
Your Honor, my clients essentially depend on these monies for their livelihood.
Mm-hmm.
And it's been almost 2 years. And the plaintiff continues using the property as her business, and the business is operational from what we see, but we just need some type of relief. She can continue prosecuting this case, but she needs to vacate the premises so that somebody else can come in and lease that property.
Okay. I mean, is this the sole, in terms of Ms. Gonzalez vacating, I mean, is this the sole mechanism, this case, by which your clients could kick her out of the space?
Well, if the court recalls, we tried doing that several couple of years ago in the Justice of the Peace, but since they filed this action alleging breach of contract that state the JP case, and so now it's before your honor, and we just need some type of equitable relief because this case is not set until next year for a jury trial, and I don't think the plaintiff can benefit from non-payment of rent or whatever she wants to call it, and continue using my client's premises.
Your Honor, if I may.
Yes, sir.
I agree that that there should not be free unaltered use of the property. However, Judge, this case is a breach of contract, breach of lease to own agreement type case, and we're seeking, as of now, specific performance of that contract in order to rightfully acquire the property. That's why when the FED was filed in the Justice Court, it was denied, because it's a matter of seeking title to the property, Your Honor. So although I do believe, the unpaid, possession of the property in perpetuity is not what my client wants. I mean, at the same time, we have to keep in mind what the basis of this case is, Your Honor. And what is feasible and what can be realistically paid. Again, it's not willful indifference of the court's order. It's just a matter of feasibility, Your Honor.
Well, see, we've already gone through two. So number one, your client has not complied with the court's order, but both of you did not comply with the mediation order. So time is passing, and it's not like the court hasn't tried to nudge you along to come to some kind of agreement. But if you all are scheduled for November 21st, Mr. Lopez, I'm going to take your motion under advisement. We are going to be reset for a status motion to compel hearing on November 29th at 10:30 a.m. The one thing I would ask, Mr. Lopez, because the motion is, I guess, a little outdated, if you could update your motion to compel with everything, if mediation isn't successful, with everything that is current up through November 29th, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Alrighty, thank you very much.